it's Mutwa Mageta, Eat Out Woolworths award-winning chef. I'm going to be teaching you lots of tips and tricks, like how to make a perfect brown butter, how to make the perfect sabayon to create this beautiful brownie. With brown butter, I tend to take it a little bit darker just because I really want to taste the nuttiness of the butter. Adding a bit of coffee to chocolate always intensifies the flavor of the chocolate. You need to rely a lot on your sense of smell. When it starts smelling very nutty, that's when you know it's ready. Good quality chocolate makes a good brownie. A gooey brownie is the best brownie, and always a little bit of love. If you sprinkle a little bit of love in the brownie, it's so good. So getting a gooey brownie, also you can put a little bit less flour, but it's also the baking time. It doesn't need to bake as long, and you need to bake it at a lower temperature. So this one we've baked at 160. A sabayon is traditionally a sauce made from egg yolks, sugar, and a little bit of masala wine. But in this instance, I used it as the base for my mascarpone mousse, and I didn't add any wine. You know a sabayon is done when it reaches ribbon stage. So once you start taking your whisk and you run it through, it should make a nice ribbon on top. The first time I had brownies was at school when we had our cake and candy day. My friend's mom made the best chocolate brownies. Now, if I think about it, they're a bit dry, but she doesn't need to know that. I added a bit of dalgona coffee on top of my brownie just to really intensify the flavor of the chocolate, and you really get that strong punch of coffee. Super easy to make as well. Wouldn't be a brownie without chuckles, and the peanut chuckles really add a nice saltiness to it, which I really love. The coffee, the mascarpone, that rich dark chocolate just comes out. I'm just doing a happy dance right now. That's all I'm gonna do. Oh yeah. Follow Woolworths Taste for more of my recipes and my baking series.